On the 23rd of December, our fridge broke down. Got all the family round and we got lots of ice. We got cooler boxes, put ice in there, put all the meat in there.
Anything mishap was always based around my dad, and he had a few drinks too many maybe. And taking the turkey out of the oven, he put his oven glove on his left hand, opened the door and lifted the turkey with his right hand and dropped it. We salvaged it, but yeah, once we knew he was okay, it was then okay to laugh.
On the 23rd of December, my older sister Becky started shouting me to come downstairs.
And luckily outside it was like -3, so we had a Christmas where anytime you needed anything, it'd be like, what do you need? You need, a drink or whatever. We'd go outside, whatever you needed.
My boyfriend's sister had made these amazing cinnamon buns, and my boyfriend and his brother decided to eat all of them before it was Christmas. So they ate them actually 3 days before.
What she thought was a huge bowl of leek and potato soup in the microwave. I literally took one look at it and realised she defrosted the Christmas gravy that I'd slaved over. So we had to go back out, get all brand new ingredients, start all over again. It was funny and it's a good memory, but stressful.